For me, the first plugin or the second plugin that you should install when you open a new WordPress site is the SEO plugin. The first one I installed was the Google Sitemaps, which I love. And the second one is the SEO Ultimate. Now, there are many plugins for SEO. Yoast, some very famous ones. I don't know why. My favorite is SEO Ultimate. I think it's the easiest to use and most user-friendly for, let's say, beginner to intermediate users, which I consider myself to be. So SEO Ultimate is great. You download it as from the plugins, add new SEO Ultimate, and once you activate the plugin, you will have this button that says SEO, and these are all the options that you can control your SEO from the website. And I'm just going to go over the most important ones. First of all, I'm going to go to modules, because not everything is enabled once you download or activate this plugin. For instance, meta keywords are disabled. There's a reason for it. Meta keywords today are not considered a very important means of SEO, but let's enable them so we can edit keywords. And we can also enable the no-follow manager for links that you want Google not to index, because they lead sometimes out of your website. And they may decrease your SEO rating unless you no-follow them. Some of these things may be a little bit complicated. By the way, I want to give you an advice. If you're taking your website seriously, get a professional SEO person or company to handle your SEO, because you can make many mistakes, and mistakes on Google cost money, and success on Google earns money. But I want to show you, even if you want to monitor your SEO company and know how well they're doing, two things I want to do or to show you is the meta descriptions and meta keywords that you can very easily control from this plugin. And as you can see, you have like tons of other options. You can get 404 monitor, which is all the errors, non-existing pages or mistakes that your site accumulates. The more you have of these, the lower your ranking would be eventually. Let's start with meta descriptions. Again, they're not that crucial for SEO anymore, but they're still important. And we can basically, the nice thing about SEO Ultimate is you can very easily control the SEO. You can write down what would be the meta description for your homepage, and then for each of the posts, you see I have right now 4 posts, and for each of your pages. And it can also be done automatically. I'll show you in a second how, but I would do it manually, definitely. Just to give you an example, what does it mean to have a meta description? So let's do something like this. Let's open another tab, go into Google and search whatever we want. It doesn't really matter what we want to search. Let's search the word SEO just for the fun of it. Okay, this I'm gonna highlight this for you. This is the meta description. Okay, this is the meta description that is taken from the website, and it gives Google and the readers actually an indication of what they're looking for on the site. And you know this very well from all the results. Each result has a meta description that you can see here. And of course, the word that we search appears in bold in the meta description, and it gives Google the indication that the website is relevant. Okay, so we can control it from here by just typing a meta description for our home page and for each of the posts and the pages. And of course, I'll show you when we open a new post or a new page, you can do it on the page itself, and this is like an editor for the entire website. It's very cool. Same with meta keywords. I'm going to leave this page. I'm not going to save what we just did. Same with meta keywords. Meta keywords are like small indications of what every page or post talks about. And what I would do this is definitely make it automatic. For instance, with posts, what I use on all my websites is the 3 most commonly used the tags, not the 3 alt tags actually, become automatically the keywords. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch the video about tags and how to insert tags into your posts, and then all your tags become keywords. So you have complete control, and it's done automatically. You don't have to go post by post. With pages, you can do the 3 most commonly used word or change this number, and then your pages automatically get keywords, or you can also do this manually. Again, meta keywords, and for each post, the meta keywords. Keywords are just words separated by a comma. That's supposed to be the main issue of this post. Now, just for the heck of it, if you want to see how it looks on a real post, because you don't have to do it from this controller. Okay, each post, these posts are all untagged and uncategorized, but let's say that I go into one of the posts, I can edit the meta description and the keywords from each post. You see, meta description, meta keywords. I can add a no follow or no index if I want Google not even to index this post, and I can even change the title tag. Usually the title of each post, the SEO title, is taken from here. This usually becomes the SEO title, but we can change it. So it gives you, this plugin SEO Ultimate gives you a lot of options, which I showed you just really a tiny example. And in another video about Webmaster Tools, I'm going to show you how to use this plugin together with Webmaster Tools to gain, of course, more control over your website.